mandore sana
yes at the forefront so mustari obosio
nkurwanire kiama kia UDA
sure
tete ngotebie ginteke mama mantebeti mantete kero you don't bite the fingers
that fed you
that have fed you nambe ye monche ndo mheshimiwa ndi nominated
okay
ni kiama kia nominated ni kiama kia UDA so when UDA fails inko imokana ndi nchake go blame ngabone kero gugutara na iso and your father is naked to kumuganya asa abantu barabangi uchake gutangaza tatambu sale nini mukwanda mwisanse na iso nyumba mugambe muteberania samagosa abere muteberania ya tati yange ya olero kwabeka turi kumuteberia sabantu mira trivia so as a government I am part of the government.
Sure.
Part of the WSR government ya William Samoei Ruto. Cause nere nchorete nere nyeteri bagari okole gase. Na ande bono njetingo to blame because ninche ningere responsibility and at the county government. Ko represent the same government. Ese sauti ya abasubati ngokwa nagaiga I speak on behalf usengereri bagana bantu ba UDA. Ko ningere responsibility na inche yo ko represent abasubati bagusigaiga and to speak na kubaruanirira ebintu biri bagwente konyora so ekia nencho munyene nko iboli ndem nanche bwari have I done what ekirina gwenete kokora manye gocha nchake koliri abaraya babandi bagendete kokora tuko ikasense meto ya UDA mu president ese mikutani iri tuko chitwatwara trust me gukwanira tora manganasha ekero shaigo fail gukwanira twatebe shida yatokirega naga and by the way igento ndate umugusio mintu nkagari nachasha yakora natonya kuoga tokoleki totebe baba bago totebe bintu nacha
at the end of
the day kero kwarwali rukurara ibweka okurwara ibweka igona mbe yemotiga tunache sha unake ebinte biga byonsi bibekire government projects nkurwanira tore nkonda tore twatendaga akyo monere bwense tokonye para lakini eyu the responsibility ari unanchebwa nchenda nyoro mujumbe kurwa senkurwa
omotebi
unabona iga engiboire bogirango ngasoka nyari bari mujumbo no sita kurukosoro mujumbo bona kurukumanduko so I will pass kurwa so mujumbe kubaira sana ya ga kimujumbe tware kokorerwe kiniki gekana bago itia machiko a national government there's nothing much I can do as a member of the county assembly as a member of the county assembly gasi ya nenene no oversight mu governor